Installing some new feet on the Back-Hoe of my BX-22 Kubota tractor. See how much larger they are than the original ones. Get a better footprint. Keep the Back-Hoe in place when we're digging holes with the Back-Hoe. Custom made. Got one side on, fixing to install the other side. Okay, that's the other one installed now. Hopefully when we're digging holes, that'll stay put in place. Shot up with both of them installed on the back of it. Now it's time to dig a couple holes and see how much better it does. Shot up my Kubota tractor. Stay tuned for a few more modifications throughout the winter. I'll be sending videos out to everyone when I get everything installed on it. I'll try to take videos each time that I make a new piece and install it on the tractor. One last shot of the big 12 by 12 feet for the Back-Hoe. Got a new set of feet on the Back-Hoe of my Kubota tractor. Get your Back-Hoe right.